Okay, let's look at the core functional areas of Anata. Anata is a world-leading industry solution. It's backed by industry expertise. The solution is a connected cloud solution to enable all the customers to accelerate the digital transformation. And it's based on the best of breed solution. You don't have to customize this. They've thought through everything from product master right up to procurement to service to sales cycle as well as assembly to give you an end-to-end solution. This whole stack was built on Microsoft. It's a connected solution across finance and operations together with all the components you see there, so that it gives you all the financial capabilities around all the transactional activities around these pillars.